studio, Satvam Solutions. I am a BR graduate and I have 6 years of experience and I have extensive experience in residential and commercial projects. Jay has done urban planning from Ahmedabad and he has also worked a lot on architecture and interior design projects. Next. So the whole idea behind Satvam Solutions is to create a balanced, harmonious, positive, serene, creative, and constructive environment through our designs, as well as we try to construct these type of relationships with our clients. Hence the word Satvam Solutions. Next. So we deal in these four types: architecture, interiors, urban planning, and management. Next. My category being interior designing. Next. So we have we have our principles on which we like to work. Next. So the first principle on which we focus is efficient design. We try to make the design efficient uh, by producing a perfect utilizable space. It should be best utilizable in its manner by giving modern and latest technology. Next. Then how a space can be how a space can be uh, mm, optimizable in the form of cost. It can be done by suggesting perfect makes to the client, suggesting perfect materials, perfect techniques according to the client's budget. Next. So we are customer obsessed. We are very much customer obsessed. We start with customers, we understand their needs, we work backwards, and then we work rigorously to understand their needs and gain their trust. Next. So one of the major principles we have adopted in interior designing is that we have adopted different styles. So for every interior designer, every site is a different canvas. So our every site has a different art on it. So for us to create a site with different art, we get inspired from many things. It can be anything. It can be nature. It can be anything in life. It can be anything and everything. Next. Next. So a project previous. So we develop our project with a concept. First being customer needs and likings. Next, the next being we develop a mood board or inspiration. We present some pictures to the client to better understand their needs. Next. And then we come up with a 3D visualization with a perfect utilization of space. Next. So now I will show you our projects which we have completed. This is GMC Massicon Hall. It is an academic project. It is an auditorium. The cost of it was around 21 lakhs. Uh, it, it, is, uh, it is an auditorium which is connected with the OT where you can view the operations live. It was designed for students. This is in the process photograph. Next. This shows the photograph which is completed. Next. You can see the lightings and everything. So this is the one which we developed during conceptualization. It is exactly the how the project has come up. Next. Next. So we were also felicitated by the Health Minister of Maharashtra for this project as we completed in very much time which was given to us and the budget. Next. This is a SAR digital. This is a media digital company office. It was a very small office, around 800 square feet, and their budget was also very low. It was around 7.5 lakhs. But I think we have done very much justice to their design by making quirky and modern elements. You can see the design is very much subtle, but the quirky elements which we have added has highlighted the space. Next. Next. You can just go through our designs. Next. Next. This is the same office. Lokesh has worked in this office, so he can explain the feel which we have created. Now, this is, yeah, next. This is one of the residential project. It was only 1 bedroom, and the project for 1 bedroom was 7 lakhs. So the range differs. For an office, we had the same budget, and for a room, we had the same budget. So we had to play with different materials. Here we had used Duco paints. We had used different materials which can give you luxurious feeling. But in the office, we use different materials, but the feeling was always good, positive. So within the given budget, we have done we have justified our work. Next, the detailing you can see. Next, next, next. It is one of the residential project for Mr. Siddiqui. They wanted it to be traditional, but we never believed in the idea of putting traditional into a flat. So we have combined it through modern and traditional elements. You can see the traditional elements on the wall and modern sofa. Next, the project cost was also very high, so we had liberty to play with the materials and the lights. You can see the lights are intricate and the furniture is modern. Next. Next. This is one of the office, very much modern and distinctive elements to break the monotony. The rope partition you can see. Next. Also the chairs, they are very distinct. Next. And some colorful paintings to break the monotony. Next. So I told you about the mood board and inspiration. So for one of our project, it was a very low cost project. It was a 2 BHK interiors. We created a mood board. So in mood board, we can be inspired by anything. So I was inspired by this, and then we implemented in our design. Next.
Gargi, sorry to interrupt you. Your time is up. Please wind up in 30 seconds.
Okay. Next. So you can see how it is implemented. Next, I will show you one more mood board. Next. 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 This is one more mood board, and you can see the implementation in next slides. Next. You can see the colors and the theme which we created. We have justified it, and the project was 2 BHK, and we have completed in only 8 lakhs. So do refer us. I think you must have liked our projects. We can do it in very low budget to very high budget. Everything matters is materials and techniques which we suggest to you. Think space, think Satwam. Thank you.
Thank you, Gargi. It was nice to have your distinctive designer and colorful presentation, business presentation. If you feel like, if you will to send it on MP Sampark social group, we can also go through it once again, though you will not be there to explain things, but we can go through your pictures and all the presentation once again. So friends, if you all were there in the last meeting, वैसे गार्गी के लिए एक जोरदार ताली मैं आप सबकी तरफ से बजा लेता हूं. थैंक यू गार्गी once again. Friends, if you were there in the, thank you Gargi, you're welcome. Last meeting में we had started a new type of thing जिसमें हम पहले संपर्क में सेलिब्रिटी विजिटर को बुलाते थे, but during this lockdown it was really difficult for us to present a celebrity visitor in front of you. So we started with a celebrity member. Last time we had Mr. Jayant Herde with us. This time we have Shri Harshad Damle ji as celebrity member. They are engineers and contractors. तो आइए सुने मेरी कहानी